Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel for today's 77th day in our Russian Word for Beginners series. Today's video is a review of the words learned in week 11, and in this week we studied appliances that you would find around the kitchen. This first one isn't really an appliance per se, but it is something that's very important. It's kind of furniture that you would find in the kitchen. It's a cupboard. What is the word for cupboard in Russian?
Шкаф. Шкаф.
And next we have the word for fridge. What is fridge?
Холодильник. Холодильник.
And then we have two more words relating to things that you would cook with. One of them is a stove. What is the word for a stove?
Плита. Плита.
And next, an oven. What is oven in Russian?
Духовой шкаф. Духовой шкаф.
But if you're like most Americans, you are probably going to look for the microwave and not the oven when you want to heat something up. What is microwave in Russian?
Микроволновая печь. Микроволновая печь.
And last but not least, what is the word for gas?
Газ. Газ.
Well, thank you very much for watching this video. This is the second to last week in this series of words about the kitchen. Come back next week, tomorrow, for a new word of the day. Пока for now.